Buying a home is about more than bricks and sticks. It's about something bigger: community, belonging, lifestyle. No one understands this better than Traditions of America.
For 25 years, Traditions of America has set the standard for 55+ communities in the Mid-Atlantic region. We are excited to bring a new type of 55+ community to the greater Richmond area.
Your new home will be nestled amid the history and natural beauty of Chesterfield County, less than 30 minutes from bustling Richmond.
Planning for Traditions of America's Chesterfield community started about 5 years ago. The goal was to find the right site, which would create an impressive backdrop for this active adult community. The homes are positioned to back up to existing mature trees, which will remain in buffers. With its exceptional entrance design, gently curving streets, sidewalks throughout, extensive open space and vistas, this community is both secluded and warmly welcoming, combining the best of a private community with a resort lifestyle.
At our Traditions of America community in Chesterfield County, we're offering 5 award-winning home designs.
Each home will feature first-floor primary suites and be fully customizable through our Dream Home program. Our professional designers guide you through every step of the process in our on-site, top-of-the-line design studio.
The building experience was absolutely top-notch. This is a place where you come in and you could build a house exactly the way you want it.
At Traditions of America, you'll step outside your customized home and into a resort.
You know the best day of the best vacation you ever had? That's what every day is like at Traditions of America.
Swim in the outdoor heated pool. Bring your A game to the putting green and pickleball or bocce ball courts. Enjoy fireside conversations. Or bring the party inside to our 8,000 square foot state-of-the-art clubhouse, where you can refine your swing in the golf simulator. Sample Virginia wines in the tasting room, or get in the best shape of your life in the Spa Caliber Fitness Center, all while surrounded by your newest lifelong friends.
There is somebody for everybody here. We bond, we have fun together, we help each other. We play together, we laugh together, we cry together, we support each other. It's a loving place to be. I wouldn't want to be anywhere else.
And while there's really no reason to leave, you'll find all the essentials, plus fine dining, historic sites, and gorgeous woodlands right down the road. Less than 30 minutes away in Richmond, you'll find renowned museums, beautiful riverfront views, and world-class dining.
When I go to work and I come home, I can't wait to come home. I love my house, literally, and that's what Traditions of America offers.
Traditions of America has been a great partner on this project. We've worked together to create really an outstanding community.
Your dream home, lifelong friends, resort-style amenities. For decades, Traditions of America has built the finest active adult communities in the Northeast. And now we invite you to join us in Virginia as Traditions of America's signature lifestyle community meets the charm of Chesterfield County.